You used to call me on my cell phone, late night when you need.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I am so excited that the new year is here. I'm here. You guys are here, hopefully, if you're watching this. If you're watching this, then you obviously probably are here. I am excited. This is my first video for 2018. So I wanted to do something kind of glamorous and a little more dramatic and over the top. I thought that I would break out my $2 necklace. I thought that I would break out my $2 necklace and, you know, my $9 earrings, yes. So this year I definitely want to try to create better and more interesting content for you guys. So yeah, if you guys are interested in trying to find out how to get this look, then please keep watching. Also, at the end of this video, I am going to be announcing the winner of my very first giveaway that I'm actually so excited about. And please don't be the person that skips the whole video just to go to the end to see who the winner is, because you're rude. You're a rude person if you do that. But I understand, but just don't do it, okay? So I will let you guys watch the video. And I know, don't even come for my skin right now, you guys, because anyone that watches my channel knows that what's happening right now is I am on Accutane, and my doctor told me it gets worse before it gets better, honey. In the words of Cardi B, let's get started. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I usually never do my eyebrows on camera because that would be like half my video. Here, I'm using mine from Walmart. They were $1.78 and I have 80 of them.
You used to call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. And I know in that holiday that I could only mean one thing. And I know in that holiday that I could only mean everything. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows that I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor, hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone, late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone, late night when you need.
The winner of my very first giveaway for the ring light $40 shopping spree on BH Cosmetics is Kayla Campbell! Yay! I'm so excited. Kayla, congratulations. I am so excited. This is the first of many giveaways. I will be messaging you directly, Kayla, so you'll know it will be me. But congratulations again. And you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for helping me start off my new year great by reaching 500 subscribers. That was really cool. I'm actually over 500 subscribers now, which is pretty awesome. So if you guys are interested in seeing anything at all, then definitely let me know in the comments below, and don't be afraid to message me. Alright you guys, so this is just a quick message. I just want to thank everyone again for entering my very first giveaway and helping me reach my number at 500. It's not a huge number, but it was my goal, and I reached it because you guys, so that's really awesome. So thank you. My next goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers. Yes, 1,000. Now what I'm going to be doing is, until I reach my goal, so what's going to be happening is, until I reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be just picking out items and creating this amazing bundle and everything that I want to include in my giveaway. I would like you guys to let me know what you would like in this giveaway. Like, what kind of palettes are you totally into? Brushes, blenders, anything, because I want to include a bunch of different items in this. Definitely let me know what you guys would love. So let's get this page to 1,000 subscribers, and you guys let me know what you would personally want in your giveaway, so I can just start picking up all these items and putting them in for you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.